Employers today expect BCIT graduates to have current and relevant technical skills. That's just a given. What we're hearing increasingly is that employers want people with soft skills, resilience, adaptability, innovation, communication, conflict resolution, and critical thinking, for example. We work closely with our partners to ensure BCIT graduates are work ready. BCIT has 50,000 students, most of whom gain real-world experience in industry through work-integrated learning opportunities such as co-ops, practicums, internships, and industry projects. Many of our programs are accredited with either provincial or national standards, or both. Our faculty and staff across our 5 campuses involve our partners, who are also BC's key employers and economic drivers at every level of academic planning and delivery. BCIT has 75 program advisory committees with industry representatives who have input on curriculum, programming, apprenticeships, and work-integrated learning opportunities. Virtually all of our part-time studies faculty and a surprising number of our full-time faculty work in industry or are closely tied to the sector they represent. Our deans, associate deans, and faculty are also engaged in industry associations. Our 4-year strategic plan was developed after broad consultation with many groups in our BCIT community, so industry input is reflected in everything we do.